I hate printers. They're nothing more than overpriced ink vampires that can only fill hatred. Well, not anymore. Today, I will be exacting my revenge. Today, I will be bending this plastic monstrosity to my will and turn it into something a little bit more useful. Printing always sucks. It feels like this.
Are you a hard-working American who is just trying to print their W-2 and pay their taxes?
NANI?! お前はもう死んでいる。
Another hard-working American killed by a printer.
When instead, it should feel more like this. Was that the right clip? Oh no. Anyway guys, this printer doesn't work. Truthfully, I've never actually plugged it in to see if it works. I was just told it doesn't work when I got it for free. I've been given 6 printers in my life. None of them have ever worked, and I always rip them apart to steal the parts inside because they are filled with delicious, delicious DC motors. So, let's see what happens if I actually plug it in. And let's turn it on. I don't think I was supposed to do that because now it has a warning light on it. And it says P26. It just says P26. What does P26 mean? Either way, I guess it doesn't matter because this creature is clearly obstinate. And now it's about to be obsolete and recreated into something better. Well, let's begin the operation. Inside of our friend here, we have found a linear rail, a motor, and our power source. This takes 120 volts and transforms it down to 24 volts. Now, we have no more use for this rotting husk of a body. And if you're interested, this would be our brain of our unit. Well, it no longer needs that. No more free thinking for it. Now, it only obeys. And how am I going to make it obey? Well, I'm going to use an Arduino Uno. I'm going to use this motor controller. I'm going to step down my voltage from my Arduino. And I got some buttons. Alright guys, I went ahead and wrote some code for our CNC plotter. This should do it for us. This should work. Perfectly good looking code. Alright, so far we have lights. Now when I press this button, it should go left or right. I don't remember. Oh, that is a lot faster than I was expecting. Oh yeah. And if I press this other button, it should spin this motor. Oh, we are so in business. Alright everyone, this is going to be my first attempt at art. As you can see, I have my art stand set up. And if I spin it, oh, we're in business. Okay. Wrong one. Let's get to our drawing tab. Oh no. Just a little small technical error. Yep. Now that's just, it's not high enough. There we go. Just need to get a little bit right there. I need to be about like 1 millimeter higher. This is a very serious art project. very serious, as you can tell from my use of screens that I also got from the printer. Let's try this again. Oh, yep. Just need to, nope. Let's, careful. Right there. Yep. I'm seeing a pattern emerge. Perfect. Now let's, yep. Just, small technical error. God. It wants revenge for what I've done to it. It hates drawing. No, you must draw. You must commit to art. You like art. Okay, maybe it just needs a new sheet of paper. It doesn't like this one anymore. That's our first drawing. That's our first drawing. Very beautiful, very beautiful. Now let's reset our child. And we'll start with a new blank canvas. Now the printer tells me it wants me to spin it. Very artistic, very beautiful. Okay, come. Very, very beautiful. Well, as you can see, folks, this is clearly the superior printer. I have made a few modifications. Actually, I've only made one. Put this piece of tape here. So now, when I spin this, oh yeah, we're in business. Perfect. Look at that. That's a perfect circle. Now we're cooking. Let's try it again with a small sticky note. Realized I haven't made a very good CNC plotter for drawing. However, I have made the world's best circle machine. What can I say? I'm brilliant. I'm a genius. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video where I turn a printer into a obviously very superior printer. If you like this video, please leave me a like. Leave me a comment. Let me know if you want me to draw something. So far I managed to draw, I think this is a cat, and I think this one is an artistic interpretation of loneliness. It also drew on me. That's a cool thing. Thanks everyone for watching. It got the knife! It got the knife! I'm dead.